Okay, hello friends. It's Yerka again, Café Verde, here at the Truckee Meadows Community College. And today we're just going to make a sandwich. And I'm pretty excited about sandwich. It's not just a regular sandwich. It's gotta be one of the best sandwiches ever made. Made with 3 pieces of bread called the Clubhouse sandwich, or also called the club sandwich, triple decker club sandwich. And I'm pretty excited about this because this is one of my favorite sandwiches. First thing, I'm gonna take this beautiful sourdough bread, and this is actually bread we use here at the cafe, and it is a very good quality sourdough. Butter makes it better, and roll toast. And doing it in a toaster will be perfectly fine, but the little bit of butter is not going to hurt anything. Here we get some beautiful tomatoes ready, iceberg lettuce, and best way for a sandwich, scoop it out with a spoon, lay it down this way. Okay, let's see this bread. Oh, we're getting beautiful golden color. Okay, I want to talk about ingredients. Very important. Good ingredients will make for a good meal. Crappy ingredients, very hard to make some good meal out of it. That's why the cooking starts with the shopping. I went out of my way today and I purchased some of my favorite products at Winco. And I want to talk about ingredients and the labels, okay? When it comes to cured meats, I actually prefer uncured. Nitrate salt that's used for curing is proved to cause cancer. Of course, that kind of meat is cheaper. This is a little more expensive, but it's all natural, as you can see here. 100% natural, no preservatives, no nitrates, no artificial ingredients. Always read the labels in the back. Shouldn't be a big paragraph. There shouldn't be a million ingredients in something simple like a ham or turkey. And what we have here is smoked ham and applewood smoked turkey. So everything is gonna have a little bit of smoky flavor to it. I also have beautiful smoked cheddar cheese, and again, grass-fed cows, okay? It's a quality. This Gruyere cheese here is from Switzerland. Again, good quality. We are already winning this battle with the sandwich. This will be one good sandwich. Look at this bread. Toasted to perfection. Golden brown. Okay, 3 pieces of bread. Okay, my friends, here comes the fun part. We're going to assemble this sandwich. Over here, not only I just have a good quality mustard, but I made a little mustard sauce with a little bit of honey and some garlic and onion. And it's actually sauce that I used here at the cafe for one of the specials. And here comes the basics of sandwich. When you make a sandwich, make sure it's perfect. Don't leave white over here. That is not good. Now it's less perfect, and we cannot have that, ladies and gentlemen. We cannot have that. Perfection. One perfect, even beautiful layer of this mustard sauce. Speaking of ingredients, one of my favorite products over here. It's a little pricey, but it's well worth it. Avocado mayo, made with 100% pure avocado oil. Avocado mayo you will see on the shelf. Read the ingredients. Oftentimes it's some avocado mayo, the rest is canola oil. Canola oil is no good. Don't eat canola oil. I make it at home, but this is a great product. Again, perfect and even. There you go. This is one of my favorite sandwiches. One of the first sandwiches I've ever learned how to make in a restaurant. And what's fun about this is the colors. Okay, here we have yellow mustard, white mayo, and we have a green avocado. And we will use this as a spread. Again, perfect layer. Perfect layer. Have to be careful with avocado. It's gonna make everything green. We don't want a green on the inside, not green on the outside. So give it a little wipe. There you go. And now we're gonna coordinate the colors. Green avocado, nice red tomatoes, and perfect from end to end without any skipping. Here we have a white, so we're gonna put this orange cheese. This is the smoked cheddar cheese. Beautiful. There you go. Let's get it. Let's give it a little extra cheese. This will be good. Yellow mustard. We'll put the white cheese. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but it makes it fun to coordinate the colors. This turkey smoked, so it almost looks as dark as the ham. But still, we put the white meat on the yellow cheese, and we put the red meat on the white cheese. Okay. Again, try to make perfect layers right there. Okie dokie. Here we have some uncured bacon, so no nitrates. I think that goes better with the turkey, wouldn't you say so? It'll go perfectly with the turkey flavor next to the turkey. Make it. This slice is almost extra. I'll stick it on there. Oh, why not? Okay, make a nice fat sandwich. Okay. Now, lettuce should go with this tomato. Oh, we put it. Maybe almost too much. We'll do it like that. And again, perfect layer. Give it a little attention, little care. And now comes the best part: assembling triple decker sandwich. I mean, it can be a little bit tricky. We'll put this in the middle, and we close this on top. Give it a gentle. Oh, that's a monster. Okay, this is a 2-people sandwich. It's Saturday. Look at these beautiful days. Okay, this is very important. We have to place these strategically and perfectly, otherwise won't be even when we cut it. Okay, this can be tricky. It might take a little practice. There you go. We'll cut this in 4 pieces. Now I try to, the bread is not exactly square, so I will try to adjust so when we're done, they look like as if it was square. So instead of cutting like this, I'll adjust the angle a little bit like that. And we don't want to crush the sandwich. So I got a nice sharp knife, a nice sliding motion. Got to cut through the bacon, which is probably the hardest one in there. Okay, and now I want to make sure my triangles, they're all the same shaped triangles. Okay, right there. Okay, right there. That is perfect. Oh, this is fun. This is fun. And here comes my favorite part. Moment of truth. Look at that. Look at that. Put it together. Beautiful clubhouse sandwich.